Hi, this is Yifang Xu, serving as your district club growth director this year. How to build membership is one of the most frequently asked questions. I'm going to host a membership building workshop at 4 p.m. Saturday, January 16th to address that and many other questions you may have. If your club is thriving in adding members, please join and share your success stories. I would like you to share your awesome stories with the rest of the district. If your club is facing challenges in adding members, please join and share your concerns. I would like you to take away practical ideas to use in your club. Building membership is similar in planting seeds in a garden. The more care we give, the more fruits we receive. Join us at the membership building workshop at 4 p.m. Saturday, January 16th. Let's exchange ideas on how to give care to our guests and members. See you.